this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show best export settings for Premiere Pro YouTube. Here I have a video ready and I will export it for my YouTube now. Follow me to export best quality video for YouTube. I'm opening export panel from file. Also you can open export panel by pressing Ctrl M of keyboard. Make sure format set as H.264 and it's for video. Click this preset menu and then here you will see a lot of presets for export. If you are looking best render for YouTube video, then ignore all these presets, just go to down below. And here we can see presets for YouTube. You can select 4K for YouTube, also you can select 1080p for YouTube. I suggest make it 4K. Click here to change name and make sure to check this both. When all sets, just click on export and then you will get best video file for your YouTube. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.